Hello folks, we are going to change the cabin filter. So we're doing this on a 2002 Mini Cooper. So it's located right under the glove box. So ordinarily some of them are inside the glove box, this one's right under. So what you will do is you're gonna go under the glove box, right down here, there's tabs down here, 2, and up here. So I'm gonna pop them. Like that, and the cover pops out. So what you do is just pull the filter out like this, and if you want to get a new filter, that would go up this way. Sometimes easier if you turn it, flip around this way, and just follow the rails. So there's a couple rails right here. See? So you want to go right under the rail. So see if I could position this phone in a way that I can show you guys. There we go. So you want to go down like this and just guide it through. Just like that. Once you get to that point, it's easier said, you know, when you do it with one hand, you grab this cover here. Once the filter's in there completely, you grab it and you pop it. Make sure that it pops in like that. And that's it. Basically, filter installed. It's very easy. It takes a few minutes to do it. Old filter. Get all this in here. New filter. Here's the part number again. And the tabs under here are on average probably about half a pound, a pound. I mean, it should be very easy. You shouldn't have to hurt yourself to replacing that. So again, another job on a German car. Have a good day.